Leaders of the Khasi Students' Union Ribhoi unit, led by President Banchoplang Maring, today met with the District Medical and Health Officer of Ribhoi District to demand a thorough investigation into the death of a child who had been admitted to CHC Bhoirymbong. Speaking to reporters, Maring stated that during the meeting, the DMNHO confirmed that an investigation into the incident is ongoing and that the result will be available in few days. Maring further emphasized that the KSU demands that the investigation report be made public to ensure transparency and allow the public to know the truth.
Tenang di keseng ngiwan ni ban kendu di nicu ban ngelang jungi ngiwan ban dawa ban bikin penlong da kata ke inquiry lan ke jing toket haji kendu badi di nicu yong ba satang ketu penepor ki la jandap ya kata ke jing toket lan ke inquiry ban ngelang jungi kwa ba nakalang jong ki bor pnia jong ka hospital ban ngelang jong ka health department hi bikin pensyai sopat ba ke baja ke ba kami nak kata ke jung toket ke jungki